Hello, I'm Christina Peters, and I was kind of struggling with how to show this to you if it's being previewed. So we're just going to go through and click some things. My idea was to have somewhere that kids can go for help, but it's all in one place. We know that most of these links kids can get to on their computers and they can get to on their phones, but the easier I can make it, the better. So I have a little syllabus that just says if you're needing help in math, English, science, or social studies, these are some links to help you out. And I have links to the English class that we made, and it worked. It worked on my phone, of course. But that's the link to the 8th grade English essay class that I'm making. And I also linked the infamous Khan Academy. And I won't go there. I have linked BrainPop that helps with pretty much anything, but a lot of kids use it for science. And we give them a login. And the other one I attached was our link to Homework Help, which is our free tutor. Maybe it will work on their phones. Again, this is the work in progress, and I was going to add more, but I guess once you put something on review on one of these apps, you can't change it anymore. But I at least got something started to where I could give my kids access to an app that would have a bunch of helpful things on it, and I would like to add more, but that just gives you a quick snapshot.